Come take a sneak peek look inside of my year of creativity. We're going to unbox my pen to paper profits calendar where I'm going to show you how you can sell more journals. So if you have a journal business, this calendar is for you and I want to give you a sneak peek. Okay. So if you are new to my channel, my name is Sharlrita Deloatch, and I'm a content strategist and author, and I love to teach established women coaches how to create digital assets with ease. I would love for you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, like this video and hit the notification bell so in case when I upload new videos, you will be the first to know. I just have a few announcements that I want to make before we get into today's content. You know, we have to get into the church announcements. If you have not heard or you've been living under a rock, I have a community. I have a free community, but you have options to get into the pay options as well. But the goal for you is to get access to my elite pathway roadmap. So when you get access to the community, you get access to that. We actually use Telegram as our chat feature. So I would love for you to come inside the community. You can get in there for free and you get access. And my goal for the community overall is to help elite boss women who are ready. You have to be ready to increase your income by $1,000 per month with digital assets. And I have a roadmap to show you that. So I have the link in the description to join my community. And last thing, I have a free daily newsletter. People have been raving about my daily newsletter. I send out a short newsletter every single day, Monday through Friday. Okay. So we take weekends off, and I'm helping you and showing you some quick valuable resources to help you to maximize your digital assets. So it's called Elevate Your Coaching Business Daily. You can get free access. I would love for you to join my email community. Just go to sharlritadeloatch.com/newsletter. All right. So I have a calendar that I created for you women, men. If you have a journal, so you have a journal business and you want to sell more journals via social media. So it's my pen to paper profit. This is 365 days of prompts to boost your journal business. And also it comes with some viral video and caption hooks as well as high converting call to actions. But I'm going to give you a sneak peek on what it looks like on the inside. Okay. So when you make your purchase for this calendar, this is what it will look like. You see, it's formulated in a calendar and it goes by each and every month. And every day you are given a prompt that's going to assist you when it comes to selling your journals. Okay. So if you're someone like me, you have a journal business and you want to sell more of those journals, you can definitely do this with this 365 calendar. What I did was you can, if you have a virtual assistant, you can hand this off to your virtual assistant so they know what to post each and every day, every single day. And you can also schedule these out in advance as well. Also, there's some bonuses. You have your viral video and caption hooks right here. Okay. So if you like to do short form content, even if you're doing YouTube videos, you can still use these caption hooks and these viral video and caption hooks. Okay. Let's give some examples. First of all, let's go back up to the calendar. And let me show you some examples of content. So, like for January, you can ask your audience what their New Year's resolutions are and why. Wednesday, January the 3rd, you can dispel some cliches you constantly hear about your niche in your industry. So, around this, when it comes to your journal, say for instance, you created a journal for Christian women. So you can dispel some cliches that people hear about Christianity. Okay. So basically you're creating content around the topic, around what you actually are selling. All right. So if you have more than one journal, you may want to maybe each month pick a journal that you're going to promote, put out there on social media. So January can be your Christian journal. February could be you can do this with planners too. So if you have any type of low content books, you can do this. Okay. So you can, let's say you have a planner, you can use your planner. Maybe your planner is a financial planner. Like February the 7th is one habit that your avatar needs to start today to achieve desired results. So if you have a financial planner and the person that needs your financial planner is let's say the Christian businesswoman, what's a habit that she needs to start today to achieve her desired results? And one of those results is to plan out her business. And what does she need to plan out her business? Your planner. All right. So your planner is the solution. That's what you're promoting, but you're promoting the topics around what your planner is about. Okay. So this works if you have a planner, if you have a journal, and you have different ones. If you have different ones, you 1 month at a time. Okay. Don't try to promote all of them at the same time. Use March to promote one journal. Use April to promote one journal. This is a great thing for you to even do with your digital products. Let's say for May, you have an ebook that you want to promote. You could promote that ebook, make a commitment and say, I'm going to promote this ebook the month of May, and that's what I'm going to promote every day. And I'm going to create topics using these prompts to create those content around what I am selling. Okay. So let's go down to the bonuses where you have the viral video and caption hooks here. So here's some examples. Now, this one is for personal experience and transformation. I was tired of blank. So example is I was tired of working a 9 to 5. Or for me, I could say I was tired of doing done for you client work. I was tired of doing client work. So this is why I started creating digital assets in my business, and what that has done for my business. So it's a great, storytelling as well. You can also got educational tips and tricks and tutorials. We're still in the viral video and caption hook. So here's exactly how you're going to blank. Here's exactly how you're going to get your first client. Here's exactly how you're going to write in your journal. Here's exactly how you're going to use this journal. Here's exactly how you're going to use this planner. These are my top tips for blank. These are my top tips for starting a digital product business. See, that's something that I can say. These are my top tips to starting a digital asset business or creating digital assets in your coaching business. These are my top tips for planning out your Christian business. So if you have a planner, you can say that. Okay. These are my top tips for journaling every day or keeping my mindset together when it comes to your journal. So make sure that it connects with your journal so that it makes it easy for you to sell it. Okay. Let's see. These are controversial and opinions viral video and caption hook. Here's a big fat lie about blank. Here's a big fat lie about the publishing industry. I used to be in publishing, so uh, so that would have been great for that. Here's a big fat lie about digital products. So here's a big fat lie about digital assets. Here's a big fat lie about whatever your industry is, because you can attach it to the planner, okay, or the journal. All right, here goes some fascination and something you can intrigue people. This is your sign to blank. This is your sign to create a 30 by 30 bucket list. This is your sign to create your first digital asset. This is your sign to create, and I can break mine down because of the different types of digital assets I talk about. And one of them, of course, is books or ebooks. This is your sign to write your ebook today. So think about that when it comes to your product. You also have the point of view. So POV, you started blank, here are the results. So you started selling Orchard cards 2 years ago, here are the results. All right. You started your digital asset library. Here are the results. Okay. You started your digital asset library 1 year ago, and I can put, now you're making $1,000 plus in your coaching business, something like that, that my avatar can identify with. Okay. You also have your high converting call to action. So these are the calls to actions that you will put with those videos. Comment below keyword if you like blank. So comment below publishing if you want to start your own publishing business. All right. Let me know what you think about this. Which one would you choose? A, B, C, A, B, or C? Please vote below. Okay. So you're basically getting them to do something. Okay. You can use these call to actions as well with within your caption, not your captions, but in your social media. When you're planning your social media, you can use those with the actual, posts that you are posting. Okay. Here's some more call to actions here. Here's some more call to actions. This one's to get more follower. This is to get more sales. So they have it's different ones. Get more shares, get more saves. All right. You want to get more shares on that videos because you got to remember every video has to have a call to action. It has to have a what do you want? What do you want from the video? You got to be intentional, okay? And this is with not just with social media, but with everything that you do. You want to have a reason why you're doing that so that people can do what you want them to do. Okay. So if you know that you want to sell your planner, that's the goal is to get more sales, then here are some call to actions. Okay. If you found value in this post, you'll love my planner even more because it goes so much deeper into blank. Go to the website or click the link in my bio to learn more. See? There you go. All right, so that's a look inside. I wanted you guys to take a peek. Of course, you can get this right on my right in my digital shop, my digital asset shop, the Boss Woman Elite shop. You can get access to this. You're going to love it. I'm actually going to use this myself. So I'm going to use this myself for my own business. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to use these prompts for my LinkedIn profile. So I'm going to use these prompts for my LinkedIn profile. And so we can, we're making it happen over on LinkedIn. So let me know in the comments if you decided to get this this planner here. Oh, I'm calling it a planner. It's still like a planner. If you decide to get the 365 days of prompts, comment below. Send me an emoji to let me know that you got it. All right. I put the link in the description, also in the comments as well. So you can go and grab your copy today. All right. So happy posting in 2024.